Hello, my name is Blaine Anderson. I'm the president and founder of Bander Wealth Management. We are an independent regional firm and work with accredited investors. Our specialty is working with advanced financial planning strategies and work as tax-smart wealth advisors. I'd like to take a few minutes and answer 10 questions that we recommend you ask before hiring a financial advisor or working with a private wealth management firm like ours. These are the 10 questions that we see most often when we are referred by CPAs or our other professional colleagues, or perhaps introduced to clients or prospective clients through our existing clients. And these are 10 questions that come up often. I thought I would address them here. Number 1, are you a fiduciary? Number 2, what are your credentials or qualifications? Number 3, how are we paid for our time and expertise? Number 4, what services do you provide? Number 5, who are your typical clients? Number 6, how much contact can we expect to have in communication with one another? Number 7, what is your investment philosophy? Number 8, how will you select investments for me? Number 9, where do you keep my money? And lastly, number 10, who else will be supporting me at your firm? I'd like to take a few minutes and address each of these questions on behalf of Bander Wealth Management. So number 1, are we fiduciaries? Yes, we are. And as a fiduciary, we are required to put our clients first. I know that each professional within our industry would say and would do what's in the best interest of their clients. However, there is one difference as a fiduciary, and that is that not only do we say, but we must also show how we put the interest of clients first. And that means that we research a variety of options and that we, of course, put the client's needs first and foremost, and then need to be able to show how we have done that. Number 2, what are our credentials and qualifications? Myself, I'm the president and chief investment officer here at Bander Wealth Management, and at the time of this recording, I'm in my 16th year. I hold a Series 7 and a Series 66 securities license, and also work as a certified financial planner as well as an accredited investment fiduciary. A colleague of mine, Doug Omont, is the vice president and chief planning officer at Bander Wealth Management. Doug is also a certified financial planner and holds a Series 6, a Series 7, a Series 63, and a Series 65 securities license. We invite you to look into the credentials of a certified financial planner and what that means. A certified financial planner has been the gold standard for excellence amongst financial planners for well over 50 years. It means that professionals have met extensive training and experience requirements and also commit to the CFP's board of ethical standards that require us and all CFPs to put their clients' interests first. For more information, check out the CFP.net website. As an accredited investment fiduciary, this is a professional certification that demonstrates an advisor or other person serving as an investment fiduciary has met certain criteria requirements to earn and maintain this credential. Both certification and fiduciary designation require annual continuing education. Number 3, how are we paid for our time and expertise? We bill according to the assets under management that we supervise. We charge a percentage on the value of assets under our management. In rare cases, we will provide right-size planning and will charge an hourly rate for a specific project. One thing that you'll notice with our cost structure is that it's very transparent. Also, we often say and recognize that in order for us to earn a raise, we need that account to grow. And then, of course, if the account declines in value, we also feel that sting. Number 4, what services do we provide? I invite you to visit our website under our services tab. One thing that you'll notice is that we engage and seek to provide financial planning and advanced financial planning centered around the 5 pillars of financial planning. This includes estate planning, tax planning, insurance planning, income planning, and then, of course, investment planning. I'd like to share this sheet with clients as well as with prospective clients because it helps us and you to see how we process and how we go about advanced financial planning. This is what we refer to as your personal strategic financial planning worksheet. And each time we meet with clients, we seek to tackle a few of these financial planning topics. So for example, with estate planning, we have the 35 key and essential documents We talk about estate planning. We talk about gifting strategies. And then, of course, we're very aware of the estate tax. We then move to tax planning. We like to coordinate and work with your CPA professional. We will do an analysis each year of your tax return and look for opportunities from a certified financial planner standpoint that you might be able to take advantage of. We look at Roth conversions each year. We talk about tax gains harvesting or even losses when necessary. We engage and work with many tax-advantaged investments. This is a big part of what we do. Many of our clients, they may have a sale, whether it be of their business or of property. We help with 1031 exchanges. We also invest in real estate opportunity zones, which provides tax advantages for investors. I'm a big proponent of tax-free growth accounts. And so this is something that we talk about with investors often, is how we can not only maximize returns, but also keep those returns. We understand that it's not what you make, it's what you keep. So we seek to incorporate tax planning with your investment planning and want to work alongside your tax professionals. We will also engage in insurance planning. We talk about risk management. We talk about long-term care planning and also retirement income insurance, how we can ensure those income sources throughout your retirement. We love income planning. We work with an objective. We help investors to know, number one, what can be done to not overspend. We know that that's the biggest fear in retirement, but also not underspend. And that means to maximize their retirement and enjoy their retirement dollars and their hard-earned money. Then we engage more in the investment planning. And this is where we utilize the various tools at Bander Wealth Management. We have active portfolios. And so the investment planning is then that fifth pillar of a complete financial plan. These are a few of the investment services that we provide. Question number 5, who are your typical clients? We specialize in working with clients who have a dream of retiring in the next 5 to 10 years. We help answer questions like, do I have enough to retire? At what income can I retire? Who will look after my spouse or family if something happens to me? We also specialize in helping business owners and entrepreneurs build a legacy through advanced tax and estate planning strategies. And then many of our clients are accredited investors who are seeking tax-advantaged investments and strategies. We create portfolios that provide growth and also income, and that's through asset-based investments, tax-advantaged investments, non-correlated investments. These are our typical clients, those that are oftentimes looking to incorporate tax and investment strategies and are working towards retirement. Question number 6, how much contact can you expect or communication? We believe that communication is critical and it forms the basis of a healthy relationship. We understand that you hire us to allow you time and freedom and to focus on the things that matter most with your family and your profession or your work. What we do is we set up a proactive schedule. Our clients know which quarter they will meet with us each year. It'll be 1 or 2 times throughout the year, and that's when we'll reach out to you about scheduling. Now, we want to have an open line of communication, so you reach out to us as life events take place, but we have a very active communication schedule. We will let you know throughout our working relationship which quarter we have you scheduled for. And then our team here at Bander will send out an email or a text, invite you to schedule during that quarter at a time that's convenient for you. We offer phone call updates and portfolio updates. We offer Zoom appointments. We even do videos for many of our working professionals that have more scheduling conflicts, where we will sit down and pre-record a video, and I'll go through your portfolio. We will address any questions that you've submitted in advance, and then we'll send you a personalized and a custom private video that you can review at your convenience that provides a portfolio update. And then we respond to clients with their questions via email. So we have lots of ways to communicate. Ultimately, my response for question number 6 about communication is that we will schedule with you proactively 1 to 2 times a year. And then we like to have a good open line of communication with our clients. This is critical to all of our success. Now, number 7, what is our investment philosophy? We follow a 3-step investment philosophy. Number 1, build a plan. And we're going to build that plan around your investment objectives. Each goal will have its own unique time horizon. We will talk to you and want to understand your risk capacity. What is your ability to take on risk? This is determined by your time horizon. We'll also then talk to you about your risk tolerance. And we have a process for quantifying your risk. Sometimes we'll have greater risk in our long-term growth accounts, and we might have shorter risk in our non-retirement accounts. This is all an active part of building that plan. We often say the value isn't in the plan, it's in the planning. And so this is something that we do on an ongoing basis with clients. Step number 2 is to build a portfolio. This will be built around your liquidity needs, your asset allocation, also the location of those assets, whether it's in a 401k, whether it's in a Roth IRA, or perhaps it's in your business or in real estate. This is all very much a part of building of that portfolio. And then step number 3 is to implement the plan. We will use low-cost indexed ETFs. We use our Bander Custom Income Notes, which is an investment vehicle that we customize on behalf of clients that helps produce income. We like our Bander Custom Income Notes for the downside protection and also the upside opportunity. When appropriate, we'll use annuities. We also believe in investing in real estate in order to create a well-balanced portfolio. We also, as an independent firm, invest and will utilize tax-advantaged investments that may include alternative investments like oil and gas or equipment leasing, land, private equity. These are all investments that we utilize on behalf of clients to help them implement the plan. We're going to use a variety of tools. Our plan and goal first is to understand what we're trying to build, and then we'll share with you the different tools that we will utilize. That leads to my next question, number 8. How will you select investments for me? We will start a discussion with you, and we will listen first, and then we will plan second. So we'll go through that 3-step investment process. Once we have clarity around your investment objectives, your risk capacity, your risk tolerance, and your liquidity needs, then we will implement a plan that provides peace of mind, the best opportunity to achieve your financial goals, and then the flexibility to handle emergencies or other unexpected events. Ultimately, we want to create a portfolio and a plan that you can stick with for the long term. Question number 9, where do you keep my money? The custodian is responsible for holding your investments for safekeeping to prevent from them being stolen or lost. We have relationships with multiple custodians and use them to hold specific investments. Our primary custodian is Charles Schwab. We don't work for Charles Schwab. We use them as the custodian to hold accounts on behalf of Bander and our clients. And then lastly, question number 10, who else will be supporting me at your firm? We take a team approach. I invite you to reference our Bander intro kit or to visit our website at banderwealth.com and meet the other members of our team. We have an advisory team, and we work in communication and not only preparing for appointments, but also answering questions. We have a paraplanner that works as part of our advisory team, and then Doug Omont is another member, a certified financial planner and part of our team. We have a client services team. We also have an operations team. And so we work in conjunction to provide service on behalf of our clients. We have much back office support that helps us also with our due diligence and underwriting investments. And these are all things and people and resources that we'll make available to you throughout our working relationship. I think ultimately one thing that I like for clients and investors to know and to expect from Bander Wealth Management is, number 1, that we will bring to you ideas, options, strategies that you're not currently aware of. We spend all day, every day working in this space. We work with many clients. We see a variety of scenarios. We can help with your blind spots. Number 2 is an extra set of eyes and ears. We use a variety of different softwares. We will track the investments. We will provide regular updates and reports to you. And we will be an extra set of eyes and ears on your accounts. Many of our clients are often working or traveling or enjoying life. And so that's something that we view as our responsibility, is to watch your accounts and monitor them. And then lastly, number 3 is to improve your risk-reward ratio. We're going to seek to understand your level of risk and then help maximize those opportunities for reward based on your level of risk. We consider it an honor and a privilege to work with each of our clients We value your trust and your confidence. I hope that you found this useful. These are the 10 questions that we would recommend that you ask before hiring a financial advisor or an investment management firm. Thank you.